Hi everyone. I thought I'd share Nepeta subsessilis with you. This is the pink dreams and the blue subsessilis. This is the height. There's some shorter selections. This is the species height, but it's a nice filler, arches over nicely, drifting into geranium soboliferum with Colonie tiny tortuga in the back with Molinia Paul Peterson that we just planted, but mingling with phlox and the still be purpurcurs. I can't remember the phlox that I put in there. I don't think it was Catherine. But it's a nice plant. See how it arches over? Plant comes up and gently arches over. And it does well in moist to average soil. And there it is with Calamiris Blue Star. So it's a nice finish to the end of this garden along the driveway. But I wanted to highlight Nepeta subsessilis. I think it's a plant you can easily appreciate in average to moist soil, growing in light shade to sun. In the sun, it's a nice architectural plant. Again, you can see the habit slightly arching. So give it a try and see how it can fit into your palette of plants. And it does neighbor nicely with geranium soboliferum. The foliage combines well and it leans into it nicely, as you can see. This is July 17th, I believe. All right, have fun, everyone. We'll talk soon. Bye.